Hi there, Mark here again. Got Rob on the camera.
Hiya!
And as you can see, today we're going to do the unboxing of my new Ford Bronco 2021 on the CC02 chassis. Did I say I've got Rob on the camera?
You did?
I've got Rob on the camera.
I think.
And I've got Barbara's Beaver being a microphone stand today.
Cool.
Thanks, Barbara's Beaver. Yeah, well, do we need to talk much about this?
No, I reckon we need to get it out the box.
Should we just get it straight out of the box?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, I'll just get the lid off then, Rob.
Okay.
It's a bit tight, dude.
Oh no.
This box is a bit tight, mate. Won't come off. Barbara's Beaver's laughing. Yay!
Hey.
Right then. There it is, all in the box. Yeah, right, so we've got lots of bags of plastic.
We have.
And a fantastic Ford Bronco body. I like that, Rob.
Great big body.
Not bad, that. And it smells quite nice. I think it's these, isn't it?
Oh,
Must be them. Got wheels. More plastic. More plastic. We'll get these out the boxes, bags in a minute, guys. Yeah, more. Oh, hang on a minute, Rob.
Ooh.
Light unit.
Yeah.
A big bag of bits. There's a metal bits in there. That's a heavy one. And look, there's stuff hidden in the bottom, Rob.
There is.
What's going on here? More plastic.
Yeah.
Oh my God, there's some bits in this and that.
There ain't
Look at that. More. And then we've got, oh, look at that. RC Junker, you've done us proud. Set of metal bearings. And one thing I was going to say about this, Rob, I'm a bit disappointed at this price point. This is quite a premium kit, isn't it?
It is.
As you can see, it comes with loads of stuff, but you don't get any bearings. You've got those blooming plastic bushes again.
Brass bushes.
Come on, Tammy, you need to sort your game out, because like the XV01's cheaper than this kit, I think, and that does come with bearings. So you know what I mean. Even the Sam Viper comes with bearings. So right, we've got health and safety.
Something like that, yeah.
A Pete Wiley wibbly wobbly. And an instruction set. Oh my gosh, this is big, Rob. Look at the size of that. Oh my gosh, so there's your sticker set. So yeah, so these are like smoked, a smoked effect for the windows. They're like semi-see-through, as you say, Rob. So you've got all of those, and then we've got the window masks.
Yeah.
And because there's light buckets with it, you've got to mask off the lights as well, haven't you?
Yeah.
Right, let's get this stuff out the bags, Rob, and show these lovely people what you get in the bags.
Okay.
Well then, Rob, there you go. There's loads of bits of plastic in it, all out the bags. But there's one bag I haven't opened yet, because I've got to do the obligatory tie-out sniff. I'm going to go, guys, all in for a 4-tie sniff. Are you ready? Ooh, you know what? I have gone light-headed there, dude. Very nice. They're a bit hard though, aren't they?
They are.
Nice kind of tyre tread pattern, I think. They look okay, but are we going to tell them what we're going to do with our trucks first? Because we will be putting these on first, won't we?
Yeah.
Shall we tell them?
Why not?
Why not? We're not going to go the usual crawler route at first, are we?
No.
We're going to go flat out, Harry Flatters with these, at full speed, high speed selection on the gearbox, yeah?
Yeah.
And as fast as they'll go, and do a bit of rally raiding.
Yeah.
That's the plan. So look out for that in the future. It should be me and Rob racing each other. But
just a bit.
Hopefully we will slow them down a bit later on.
Yeah.
So there you go, that's the plan. Let's get close up then on these. Now I've had my tyre sniff, Rob. I've had my fix.
So where do you want to start, mate?
Well, we've done the tyres, got the fix out of the way, so I get them out of the way. What goes with them? Wheels. So you've got your one-piece wheels. Nothing really to shout about there, just basic set of wheels. So as we said, we've got this lovely, it's quite a thick Lexan, isn't it? It's not nicely formed piece of Lexan, that is.
Except for the front and the back.
Well, no, I actually feel quite thick. I'm quite impressed with that. Yeah, right, Rob, just showing off now. Yeah, so that's that. All these parts here are for that. Look at all this, guys. All of these parts here, and these really, because these are, you get the light kit included, don't you, in the control box in there, and the LEDs. So that's that. You've got your LED stoppers for fixing them on, and all those tiny little screws. But yeah, all these parts go on the body, don't they? So you've got your kind of the rack on the top. You've got screw all that together. Then you've got your wheel cover on the back, haven't you? You've got your front grille, mirrors, and other bits that go on the body there. And what's this, Rob?
That's your roof rails.
Part of your roof rails and all parts to attach it all.
Yeah.
And is that your kind of bar on the front, is it?
Bull bar, isn't it?
Bull bar, well, glad you're here, Rob. And then you've got the light buckets in chrome, thank goodness.
Yes.
So you don't have to paint them silver. Lovely. So yeah, they're all to go on the body. Right then, dude. So it's kind of a ladder frame, they call it, the chassis.
It is, yeah.
And these are the main parts, aren't they, for the chassis itself. Various other plastic bits and bobs there to go with it. You do get with this, guys, a high torque servo saver, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Another kind of hop up really from Tamiya there. What we got, this is some very nice plastics, this is, Rob, very hard plastic. It's like the fibre reinforced stuff, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
And yeah, that's obviously where the motor goes, isn't it? Mounts onto there.
Yeah, the gearbox.
The gearbox, transmission and stuff, and yeah, various other brackets there, front
Yeah.
bumper by the look of it. Oh, right then, Rob, these are parts for the prop shaft, so that's plastic, which is a bit disappointing.
It is, yeah.
Even the CC01 comes with a steel one, doesn't it?
It does.
But anyway, there you go, so that's plastic. You got your shocks, well, at least they are CVA, oil-filled shocks, but you've got to build them up there, and you've got all your parts for your shocks there. Right then, we mentioned that gearbox before. This is the gearbox case, I imagine, Rob.
It is, yeah.
And the associated parts. And then we've got tons over here of, oh my gosh, is that a body post?
It is.
Oh my God, look at the length of that. Yeah, well, there you go. And you've got, these are the links for the suspension, aren't they?
They are.
It looks like the body post.
Link.
Full link suspension, yeah. You've got your body post stiffeners, strengtheners. And same again, so 2 sets of those. These look like, these are the diff lockers.
They are, yeah.
So yeah, you can lock the diffs on it, obviously 4-wheel drive. And you've got your solid axles front and rear. Loads more brackets and little spacers and washer type pieces there. And that looks like the same tree again, Rob, I think, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, and the last plastic tree out of all those, there's tons of them. These are obviously your solid axles. So in there go your diffs.
Yeah.
And yeah, the solid axles which drive the wheels. So there you go. Quick look at the parts bags, Rob.
Yeah.
And so I don't upset him, guys, I'm going to go in order. So parts bag A, looks like we've got a spur gear in there. Looks like we've got a pinion. We've got some shafts and more cogs in there.
Yeah.
Parts bag B. Oh, we've got some metal brackets of those, Rob.
They are.
And it looks like
part of the chassis, I
part of the chassis. Wow. So there you go. Some metal bits. Looks like we've got some ball joints, screws, washers. Parts bag C. This is a big one. So you got. Looks like you've got your metal drive shafts in there. Like a dog bone end on it, isn't it, Rob?
Yeah.
Tons of shims and those horrible bushings. And these look like the metal cases for the diffs, and these are the diff gears. So there you go, guys. All your diff gears are solid metal. Finally, parts bag D. You've got your shock oil in there. You've got your springs, your wheel nuts. You've got your flange nuts, and various other metal hardware. And the only thing we haven't looked at is the manual, but I won't go through all of that, but the usual fantastic detailed Tamiya manual, which I shall be following very closely. Okay, just a quick note before we go. Now, this kit would normally come with the Tamiya 1060, which is a Hobby Wing copy, isn't it, Rob?
Yeah.
But the RC Junkie, who generously donated this kit, sent this fancy new ESC70. And quick look in the box, Rob. Comes beautifully packaged, doesn't it?
It does, yeah.
And I know this is quite a clever bit of kit where you can program it from your mobile phone with an app, can't you?
You can.
With a Bluetooth connection. But one quick note, guys. If you're interested in one of these, as you can see, there are no connectors on it, so it's not exactly plug and play, is it, mate?
No.
You have got to put your own battery connector on, which doesn't come with. It does come with the bullet connectors that, again, you have to solder on. But so there you go. I'm going to look forward to doing that. I have got a soldering iron, so I'll be able to put this together. But just to note, if you haven't got a soldering iron, then this is not the one for you.
No.
Okay, then, so as I said, that's us pretty much done now, isn't it, Rob?
It is, yeah.
Another last thank you to RC Junkie for the kit, and I hope you join me on the build guides. So over to Rob to say goodbye.
Right, well then, it's goodbye from me.
And it's goodbye from him. You're right, Rob.
Yeah.
Should we do this video then?
Yeah, go on.
What are we going to do today?
we're going to unbox your Ford Bronco, aren't we?
It's a Ford Bronco 2021.
It is.
Wow. Right then,